This is Pioneer's AVIC-U280 add-on navigation system. The AVIC-U280 is compatible with and can be added on to many Pioneer in-dash audio-video receivers from 2010 and up. When using the AVIC-U280 add-on navigation system with your Pioneer in-dash receiver, you have a full touchscreen GPS navigation system at your fingertips without relying on a cell phone for a data connection. The AVIC-U280 comes with everything you need to add on to your compatible Pioneer in-dash AV receiver. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's get this open here. Oh, now, this is kind of in a tray, so I'm going to pull the tray out. There we go. First up here is the owner's manual and the warranty card in their own package here. There's the owner's manual and the warranty card. Next up, we have the GPS antenna. Here's the GPS antenna, and please note this GPS antenna is meant to be kept on the inside of the vehicle. Next is the SD card that holds the map data. The map data on this navigation system is from HERE Technologies, and this is the map data that has to be inserted into the navigation unit itself in order to use the system. See, next up we have the data cable. This is the cable that carries the data from the navigation system up to the in-dash receiver and communication back. It plugs into the in-dash receiver, into the back of the in-dash receiver, and into the side of the navigation system. Next up we have the power and ground connection for the nav system. And we have some mounting Velcro and some mounting screws there. Next, we have the AM/FM antenna that's used for traffic information. So you have the total traffic network is included, total traffic and weather is included with this system, and this is the AM/FM antenna to capture that signal. And finally, we have the navigation box itself. Right here is where you'll plug in the GPS antenna. Over here is where you'll plug in the AM/FM antenna that is used for traffic. This AM/FM antenna is included with the product. And the white plug here is for the power and ground connection. Over here, you'll plug in the data cable that connects to the in-dash receiver. You'll plug the black end of the cable in here to the GPS unit, and you'll plug in the yellow part of the cable to the compatible Pioneer in-dash receiver. Right here is the SD card slot. Put in the map database right here. Here is your resolution switch, WVGA or WQVGA. Choose the one that is compatible with your particular in-dash receiver. Here's the reset button. When you first do an installation, be sure to press the reset button both on the GPS receiver and on the in-dash receiver. And here's the power indicator. Once installed, the AVIC-U280 provides a seamless touchscreen GPS navigation experience through your compatible Pioneer in-dash audio-video receiver. Pioneer in-dash audio-video receivers that are compatible with the AVIC-U280 are shown in the following list. And that is Pioneer's AVIC-U280 add-on navigation system. And what's in the box?